telaio della 599 GTB Fiorano è
The
stato
599
realizzato
GTB
con
Fiorano
il concetto del
has an aluminium
concetto
space frame chassis,
prodotto per
which
la
was
prima
first
volta in
introduced
Ferrari
on the
con la
360
360
Modena and
e
is
oggi
now
applicato
also
sulla
employed on the
612
612 Scaglietti
sulla
and the
F430.
F430.
Tale concetto consiste
The
nella
chassis is
realizzazione
made up
della
of
struttura
highly
con
complex
elementi
aluminium
principali
extrusions,
in estrusi
either
d'alluminio
MIG
tipo
welded
alluminio
or
complesso,
coupled
uniti
using
tra di loro
cast or
con
pressed metal joints.
saldatura MIG direttamente o con l'ausilio di giunti fusi o giunti in lamiera. Con questo
This
telaio
chassis
si
also
propone un
marks
passaggio
Scaglietti's
della
move from steel
Scaglietti
component
da
manufacture to the
struttura
creation of high-tech
di
aluminium
produzione di
body
elementi
shells.
in acciaio a centro di competenza della realizzazione delle scocche in alluminio. A questa trasformazione non ha
This
partecipato
transformation
solamente
wasn't just down to Scaglietti,
Ferrari, che ha
but was
fatto
also contributed
tesoro
to
delle
by the
competenze
Ferrari
di
foundry,
componenti
which
motore
used its
per
experience
la
in making engine
realizzazione,
components
la
to make the
produzione dei
sand-cast
giunti
joints of
fusi
this
in
chassis.
di questo telaio. Tali giunti
The particularly
particolarmente
complex
complessi
joins
e,
and safety components of the
elementi
chassis
di sicurezza
structure
per la struttura
were
del
made
telaio
using a special
sono stati
process borrowed from the
realizzati
aeronautical
con
industry and were
procedimento
developed using
specifico
sophisticated
adottato
process simulation
dall'aeronautica
techniques.
e sono stati sviluppati anche con l'utilizzo di sofisticate tecniche di simulazione del processo. Con l'uso dell'alluminio,
The use of aluminium for the chassis led to a cut in weight of 18%, despite the fact that the car's wheelbase was 8% larger than that of its steel twin. This was all achieved without impinging on performance. In fact, torsional rigidity was improved by 34%, while flexional rigidity was increased by 4%. Particular attention was also paid to safety during the design process. In fact, the car is type-approved for use right across the world. In particular, with regard to side impact protection, we've used for the first time a high-resistance aluminium, which limits side intrusions to a maximum of 30 millimeters. With regard to the front of the car, we designed a differentiated crumple zone, which absorbs the energy from low to medium speed impacts, with 4 extruded elements in the front. 4 components near the wheel also absorb further energy in high-speed impact situations. There is also another element on which the wheel rests during impact, and this distributes the energy along the most robust part of the structure, that is to say, along the side of the vehicle.